Conditional formatting of true, false values in an Excel 2010 range. I have a range containing formulas that evaluate to true or false. How would one apply conditional formatting to this range, so that true cells are green and false cells are red?
Select your cells.
For Windows version, Microsoft 365 Excel, version 2004 build 12730.20270. Note the version is not the year, this is the 365 version in year 2020. You need to create two rules, one for each color. Go to Home tab and GT, Styles group and GT, Conditional formatting and GT, Manage rules. Alternatively, just type conditional formatting in the search bar at the top. New rule. Rule type and GT, format only cells that contain cell value and GT, equal to and GT, your value in this case true, equals true, and select the format, then OK. This will take you back to manage rules where you now have one rule. Now do steps 2 to 4 again but for the false value. Now you should have two rules in your manage rules window.
The usual conditional formatting rule of equal to was not working for me when using true, false. I found that the text that contains option worked instead.
Eu sou uma pessoa, e assim se trata de